Meaning of heartbeat.
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 Heartbeat. Heartbeat refers to the rhythmic pulsation of the heart, which is caused by the contraction and relaxation of its muscles. This rhythm is what drives the circulation of blood throughout the body, providing oxygen and nutrients to all cells and organs. The heart rate can vary depending on age, physical activity level, and overall health. In medical settings, monitoring a patient's heartbeat is an important indicator of their health and well-being. A healthy heartbeat is crucial for maintaining a healthy body and living a long, fulfilling life.